everybody, we're out here and we're doing some paddling today. We got the canoe out. We paddled across the river. We came in at the dock over there. We ended up coming in over here because some really big boats came by fast and made some real large waves that were coming over the sides. And yeah, Ryan's a little bit wet. But we found a nice spot that's down that way a bit. So we're gonna go walk down there and we're gonna hang some hammocks and we're gonna relax and enjoy a little bit of time out here. And then we'll paddle down that way some. Yeah, we do. I got, let's see. Yeah, I've got a whistle and a compass attached to my life vest. It's such a beautiful day, and we kind of needed some downtime, so we've got our hammocks up. Yeah, we're on an island in the Illinois River, so we're just kind of out here. Got a small fire going, not so much because it's cold, but the smoke will help keep some of the bugs away. And it's just kind of like some nice, like bushcraft TV. Just kind of watch the little fire going. Yeah, we have it mostly for the smoke because the smoke will kind of help keep some of the bugs away. But it's a beautiful day and the canoe is down over the hill. No sense in pulling that up here. Hey Judson! And we got our gear and dry bags, of course. And paddles are leaning up against there in the life jackets. We got a Haltsbrook axe stuck in that kind of punky tree there. And attacked by Bigfoot.